was tirely.
He's looking at me.
No, Natalie's picking up like he's like totally full on laying on the couch and it's still picking up that far. On a soft couch. On a soft couch. And I've seen some babies. They're like hella skinny. He was in the beginning. For the first week. I think people's kids that are like, you know, like 6 months old and they don't even weigh 20 pounds. Yeah, I was talking about Kendra's baby. She's telling me that her baby's 10 months old and 40 pounds.
Dang.
He's gonna be 40 pounds at like 3 or 4, like what's it, probably 5 months old.
Him?
Yeah, he'll probably double his weight again.
That's what I'm saying. I was thinking, man, he's gonna be a lot bigger because her baby don't look that big in the pictures. It's not like he just has be a wrap for the weight in this baby.
Man, you're gonna have to get suspenders for his diapers.
For his diapers.
He's gonna need pull-ups already. His legs. I remember you had to get smaller diapers just because his legs were so skinny.
He's all like a crab.
Look at that leg. His legs were like.
It's after you.
No, they had no meat on them. No, they look like Shar Pei legs. They're all baggy.
He's
all extra skin.
He's smiling when
man,
you
let them try and give him a shot with those kind of legs. The way they did that, they gotta have some meat on them. They poke it in their part. And then it's like this long. It's skinny. It's really like mean. Yeah, it was really skinny. But that's mean. See that, Carly?
Yeah.
It's their nipple.
Like
me and Clayton. Well, Clayton's like get hard. They actually have nipples on him. He's like a dog. Clayton has 4 nipples. Look at little arm nipple. I'm like. And Diane has 1. She does? Just 3. You have none? No, I just have 2. No, I just have 2. The 2 I was born with. The 2 I was supposed to have.
whoa. He just sucked in Hecka. He's sucking in. He's sucking in.
Jennifer? The one that's in wheelchair? Casey's other sister? Yeah. Has no nipples. Wait. Casey's got a sister that's in a wheelchair? Yeah. She has Jennifer and she has Tracy and Jennifer. I forgot about her. Where is she? She was in that one room at the end of the table on the laptop. I thought she was going to be